Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about 1688 Chinese shopping app, and in today's video I'll show you on how to make payment for your goods. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund a Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up my 1688 Chinese shopping app. Then after you open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and source for products from different suppliers. However, there are so many ways by which you can use to source for product from different suppliers on 1688. One of the first way is to simply scroll down from the home page right here. The more you scroll down, the more you see different products that is going to load up. However, you can also make use of image search, which is also known as this camera icon right here. Click on this camera icon. When you click on it, upload product picture sample, and you are going to see a similar result. After you have successfully sourced for product from different suppliers, next thing you need to do is to add a product to cart. And if you don't know how to actually add product to cart on 1688, consider to check the video out on my channel. I have made a lot of video step by step on how to add a product to cart. After you add a product to cart, next thing you need to do is to click on here to proceed to your cart. Then you're going to have all the products you have added so far in your cart. Next thing you need to do is to go ahead and select the product one after the other. So I'm going to pay for this. Then I'll scroll down. I'm paying for this. I'm paying for this. And then I'm paying for this. I'm paying for this. So I'm paying for about 5 different supplier right here. Next thing I need to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout. Then from the checkout right here, you can go ahead and review all the products you have chosen so far to be sure everything is correct. Once you are sure of everything, next thing you need to do is to click on here to proceed with payment. So just like what you see right here, I'm paying the sum of 132 yen to purchase all these products right here. So from the checkout right here, there are so many ways by which you can use to pay for the goods. You can either pay with Alipay or use your Visa or MasterCard in USD currency or whatever local currency available to you at this checkout right here. But in this tutorial, I'm using Alipay. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed with payment. Then I'll go ahead and enter my payment password. So payment done successful for about 5 different suppliers right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and make a screenshot of this payment right here because someone asked me to pay for them on 1688. So I'm going to screenshot. Then I'll go ahead and send the proof of payment to the person on my WhatsApp. Open up my WhatsApp right here. Then I'll go ahead and send the proof of payment to the person that asked me to pay for them. So here we go. I'm going to click on here now. Select my camera. Select the proof of payment and say payment done. It's that simple. Then I'll go ahead now and go back to my 1688 to confirm everything. So I'm going to go back here, come back here, click on here to close this pop-up. Then by the time I refresh here, the product is no longer be here. And I'll click on here to proceed to my profile. By the time I refresh my profile, all the products we just paid for is going to be found right here. So let's find. You have them right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how to ship, import products from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.